Today's video is brought to you by TubeBuddy is a browser extension and a YouTube channel management tool that helps both new and existing YouTubers grow their channels and monetize their content. With features such as keyword research, video SEO optimization, and efficient video management, TubeBuddy helps increase the visibility and engagement of a YouTube channel. For new YouTubers, TubeBuddy provides the tools and guidance needed to optimize their content for maximum discovery and growth. Existing YouTubers can use TubeBuddy to streamline their workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and increase their earnings. Many successful YouTubers using TubeBuddy report earning between $30,000 to $50,000 a month. Use our affiliate link below to support our channel by signing up for TubeBuddy, and makes it possible for us to keep bringing you such informative content to help you maximize your earnings and receive exclusive discounts and promotions. Please click on our link below in the description box to maximize your earnings today. Today, we will talk about ideas to increase YouTube watch time for new channels. Want to increase your YouTube watch time and monetize your YouTube channel? With some easy fine-tuning, you can elevate your YouTube channel and engage viewers for longer in a few easy steps. What is watch time on YouTube? Watch time, also called audience retention, is the total amount of time a viewer watches your YouTube videos. Watch time gives YouTube creators valuable insights into what their viewers enjoy, watching the whole way through and clicking. Higher video watch time suggests to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is worth promoting in the feed and recommendations section. This visibility can lead to monetization opportunities for creators like brand sponsorships and collaborations. The average audience retention rate is between 50% and 60%, so the longer a viewer watches your video, the better it is for your YouTube channel. Ways to increase YouTube watch time. 1. Edit an engaging YouTube intro. If your video isn't receiving the view count it deserves, try creating an eye-catching intro on YouTube to add to your content. A video intro hooks your audience right at the beginning, showcasing your personality and convincing your audience that there's value in your video that is worth watching. Using a YouTube intro maker adds a visual signature to every YouTube video. Have you never made a YouTube intro before or want to spice up your existing one? Head over to Clipchamp's YouTube intro maker and make a YouTube intro in just a few clicks. 2. Batch create content for a consistent video schedule plus YouTube series. Whether your channel hosts YouTube tutorials, unboxing videos, or vlogs, planning content ahead of time contributes to your YouTube channel's success. An engaging YouTube creator is often the most consistent, so batch creating YouTube videos can save your time and money. Another way to stay on a consistent video schedule is using the YouTube Series feature. YouTube Series gives viewers a specific timeline of when to expect the next episode and the ability to re-watch content in order. 3. Design recognizable YouTube channel art and thumbnails. Branded YouTube thumbnails and channel art can help contribute to subscriber retention and return user rates as your videos are more recognizable. Make sure to keep logos, fonts, and a unique color scheme on your YouTube channel and videos, so they're easily identifiable. Stand out in the sea of video content by adding logos and graphic elements to thumbnails and channel art. 4. Optimize video descriptions for YouTube SEO. Your videos can rank higher in the search engine results with better YouTube SEO practices, meaning more views and engagement. Just find the main keywords, then include those words in your YouTube description, tags, and video title. If you're unsure how to find YouTube SEO keywords related to your videos in genre, check out your competitors' YouTube analytics for inspiration. 5. Divide videos into YouTube chapters. YouTube chapters make it easy for viewers to understand your videos better. Viewers can skip to specific sections of your video by selecting a timestamp, with each section having a compelling narrative. Be sure your channel has no active strikes to qualify for the chapters feature. 6. Utilize YouTube Shorts to add to YouTube watch time. If you've been publishing YouTube Shorts, they're more than likely contributing to your channel's total 4,000-hour watch time. increasing your monetization chances. Every time a person views your YouTube short, it counts towards the overall watch time of your channel. YouTube Shorts can now be found on YouTube's desktop shelf, giving Shorts content a better opportunity to increase views. 7. Engage in the comments. Creators often underestimate the power of the comments section hold. Having active video comments is a simple way to encourage new viewers and influence them to subscribe. So building a loyal subscriber base by engaging in conversations, you're more likely to have a successful YouTube channel. Create a YouTube community by asking viewers questions, feedback, and replying to comments. YouTube fans enjoy personalized interactions with their favorite content creators and having their comments pinned. Oh, what do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below.